Cervella frequently asked questions. How do I replace the ear cushion's electrodes? Step 1. Removing ear cushions. Disconnect the connecting cable from headset before replacing electrodes. To remove an ear cushion, grab the ear cushion firmly, twist it counterclockwise, and lift the ear cushion away. Step 2. Installing ear cushions. Locate the left ear cushion and left earpiece of the Cervella headset as marked on the headband. Position the ear cushion slightly to the left of vertical at a 10 o'clock position. Press firmly to engage the 4 tabs and turn clockwise until the L letter is vertical. Verify that all 4 tabs are fully engaged into the ear cushion. Repeat for the right ear cushion. Note: if the 4 tabs are not fully engaged, indicated by a gap between the ear cushion and the headset, remove the ear cushion and try again. Step 3. Verify Cervella operation. Connect the headset to the Cervella main device and start the stimulation. The LED on the main device should glow solid blue. Next, press and hold the gold portions of the left and right ear cushions together. The LED on the device should now be blinking blue, indicating proper installation and functionality. Note: if the Cervella LED remains solid blue and does not blink when the ear cushions are touching, remove each ear cushion and gently bend each gold-plated connector up under each ear cushion. Then reassemble and retest.